I am very excited to announce the opening of the Detroit DIY store. This is something that I've worked for a long time, and I finally got it, and I'm glad that I got it. And we've got a super awesome logo to put on some shirts, some sweatshirts, coffee cups, hats, hoodies, whatever you may want. There's a nice variety in the store, and there's more that I'll be adding later on as we go. This is the shirt that I just received. This is the premium tee, and it is a nice shirt. This is a Fruit of the Loom. It's a high quality shirt. It feels good. The logo was done very nicely. Looks like it's going to last a very long time. This is the coffee cup that I just received. Very nice job. The coffee cup's available in multiple colors, as is all the shirts. I left the customization on so that the logo, it gives you the opportunity to make this logo smaller, make it bigger, move it around. In some cases, in some shirts and some hoodies, you can put it on the sleeve, you can put it on the back, you can do a lot of things with the logo. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to go to the computer, and I'm just going to give you a little run through on how this works. Now that we're in YouTube, we just want to type Detroit DIY in the search bar and click search. Once you're here, you can go ahead and just click the icon and it'll take you right to my channel. Now what we want to do is just click any video in here. We're going to pause it. If you're on your phone, you're just going to click this title right here and it's going to open up the description of the video. If you're on your PC or your Mac, you may scroll down and find a description here. And it says show more, and in this particular video I put the link to the store right here at the very top. So if we click that link, here we are at the store. Now this is everything that's available currently at the store. Men's shirts, women's shirts, hats, all kinds of cool stuff. If you put the cursor on, it's just going to blow up the logo so that you can see exactly what it would look like. Now what I've done is I've left this customization on so that the logo can be moved around and sizes can be changed. So on this particular hoodie, I left the logo large on the front of it. So if we just click this, it'll take us to the hoodie. Then if you click the pencil right here to edit, click customize. Now just click on the logo itself, and it will allow you to shrink it, and then you can move it anywhere you like inside the box. You can make it as large as you want, provided that it fits in the box. Everything is good. You can even make it a little larger if you want. So I left that feature on, and in this particular hoodie it'll let you see the back. You can move it to the back, you can put it on the sleeve, you can put it on the other sleeve, you can put it on the hood or both sides of the hood. So it's a pretty cool feature. Once you're done moving it wherever you'd like to move it, you can click get price right here and it'll give you the price for the alterations that you've made to what was already there. So I just thought it was a pretty cool feature to leave on so that everybody could choose what they want. And then you have all your color choices that you can do right here. So let's just click undo, and then we can see the gray hoodie. All the colors go with the logo pretty doggone good. A couple of them maybe not, but I think that the white, the gray, there's even one like that, the lighter gray, I like that. So at any rate, there's plenty of options, plenty of color choices, and plenty of ways for you to also move that logo around. And you can do that on anything here in the store. So we'll click shop now, and we'll just scroll down. There's hats, hoodies, coffee cup, water bottle, men's shirts, women's shirts, a camper mug, some women's socks, pretty cool patriotic shirt right here, I wanted to leave that in, a face mask, and a sticker. I hope that makes it easy enough for you to get to the store to find what you would like to have. I would like to thank each and every one of you for your support, for subscribing, for liking, for all the comments. I think it's just awesome. The channel is growing. very well. I'm very happy with how it's growing, and it's all because of you. So thanks, everybody. So get your swag on, and we'll see you soon.